Pay off your mortgage in 5 to 7 years and save. There are Middle Tennesseans doing it now. I'm Sylvia Castaneda, and with me is mortgage expert Michael Lush, who's also the co-founder of Replace Your Mortgage. He's also a best-selling author who has a free book on the subject. But first, the thought has always been to make extra mortgage payments and save, but you say there's a more efficient way.
Absolutely. Paying extra on your mortgage is never a bad idea, but a more efficient way is using a first lien position home equity line of credit. That way, it's a great place to store cash as an operating account, but at the same time, your money's working for you even when you sleep. And ultimately what's going to happen is you're going to pay a lot less interest than you would on a mortgage.
Now, home equity line of credit is variable interest, so what happens when the rates go up?
That is true. Most home equity lines of credit are variable. However, there are some fixed rate HELOCs out there as well. But what we do is we're taking our eye off of the bigger picture, which is focusing on how much interest we're actually paying. So what we really need to attack is time and balance. And that will ultimately save you more interest than if you were on a mortgage, because now you have all of your income focusing on the loan as opposed to just a fraction of it.
Now, you have a client who's done beautifully on this program.
Yep. Actually, Elliot Hallum, he paid his home off. Let's hear from him.
At the time, I had a 30-year fixed rate mortgage, and I had about 25 years to go. I met Michael in Replace Your Mortgage, refinanced into a HELOC, and paid off my home in about 14 months, saving me over $50,000 in interest alone. I'm a real estate agent. I can't recommend this program enough to my friends, family, and clients.
So, Michael, how can viewers get your bestseller?
Easy. Go to replaceyourmortgage.com and download our free digital copy.
Free, folks. You can't beat that. Thanks so much for sharing, Michael.
Thank you.
Again, for that free digital copy of Replace Your Mortgage, how to pay off your home in 5 to 7 years on your current income, visit replaceyourmortgage.com now. Today's Take Two segment was sponsored by Replace Your Mortgage. For Take Two segments, go to WKRN.com/Take Two.